India, it's great that an Indian has gone to Canada and propagating the culture of India. And she has propagated from Upasana Yoga, the chakra healing. And she has established a Peetam, Shiv Shakti Peetam there in Canada. And people of Canada have been benefited by it, by the chakra healing. Today we are very fortunate to have her here and take the blessings of this chakra healing here in our hotel in Atinagar.
And what is the special?
Getting opened. We have Ahvanam of Andhra style and we have multi-cuisine, and also music importance will be given here. The speciality here is going to be music of all the languages.
What is message to public?
Message to have a good food, enjoy the music and go.
Okay.
And today we had a soft launch of our hotel, and with the divine blessings of Miss Matashri, who came here especially to give 7 chakra healing wellness therapy at our hotel, new hotel. So thank you all for coming. Okay, so currently this is a 50 room hotel, and we have 2 restaurants. One is in Andhra style, and the other one is fine dining buffet. And on the top we have a resto lounge bar, which is going to be opening pretty soon. The food out here is going to be a fusion mix of gastro and fine dining and a mix of Andhra.
Who is the session plan, madam? Guest is coming.
For the guests, we are inviting a lot of VIP members and celebrities and a lot of socialites, and it's obviously open to the public. And we are launching this on May 9th.
Somebody from Andhra?
We'll definitely try to call as many people as possible.
Madam, Ahvanam is special.
Branch opening here in
We
Bangalore.
are a chain of hotels. This is one of our venture, which has 50 rooms along with 3 restaurants.
This is there in the karma, okay? That Tejamma and my dear Chaitanya, who did this hotel, and they invited me not only to bless the hotel, to bless all the beautiful people around here. Now who am I? I am Mata Shri. I am a divine healer made to help the people here. I do the chakra healing, the lagunias, all different types of healing. I am able to emit the energy and turn people's life. So 6 months I stay in Canada. I am Canadian, but I am from Palakkad, Kerala, and I protect and give respect to our Sanatan Dharma, Hindu Dharma.
Yes.
So in the Canadian government, they have given me a high respect they have given the stamp and approval of our institution for non-profit organization for helping the people. That's a very big respect for an Indian over there, and I really appreciate the government there for encouraging me and helping the community there. Not only our Indian community, all the Canadians, people of all religion, because we follow the Adi Shankaracharya system, the Paddat, and all the gurus that I have met here. I didn't plan to meet them, but it just happened.
So what about the Kannadigas, madam? How they use about these chakras?
These chakras,
They like these chakras?
it's out of this, and it's happening. People who drink, they leave drinking. Canada, so much of drugs and drinks, they become positive and change for betterment. Students over there, our Indian students who don't know what they are doing, we teach them that, the positive way, how to address the problems in their life, and how the Vedanta principles help them, how our Sanatan Dharma, our Moola mantras that I do, all the Bija mantras, that give the healing Shakti. Because when I speak, it's Vaka Siddhi. Vaka Siddhi means it's energized and it's manifested. So I am using that Shakti for everybody.
So what do you want to say about the new generation about these chakras?
The chakras are always there, and it is there with everybody.
Well, guys-
We need to recognize, and I am giving that awareness to them.
Madam,
Shakti.
what is the use
Part of your nadis, your nervous system, right from the head to the feet. If the chakras are not there, you won't be there. You will be suffering, either handicapped, or you may not even live. That's very important. So, and we need to give our awareness that and do the meditation, do the chakra healing, do the chakra meditation, which I do, which is called the Upasana Yoga.
ನಾವು ಇದು ಆಹ್ವಾನಂ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ 10-15 ಡೇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಕ್ವಿಸಿನ್, ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಕ್ವಿಸಿನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ. There is another hotel here, it is De Luxure, which is it has got 48 rooms, luxurious rooms, with a multi-cuisine restaurant attached and buffet as well. And the third one is Jalsa Pub, what we are launching soon in another 1 week, 10 days, with all the blessings of everybody and the support. Today we are very blessed after this healing session and the divine energy with Matashri, Teja ma'am and Chaitanya, everybody. So we are good to go with the new property and the new business and all the tie-ups now. I would like to thank all of you for being here and helping us out to make it a grand success.
Okay.
ಚಕ್ರ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು
This is Rajni Rekha. I have a contemporary art gallery and a contemporary clothing line, Revs Lavist and Revs Art Gallery. So coming here is a pure bliss. I should thank Chaitanya for inviting me, and it's been I think this is the very first time I've experienced something with the chakra healing, and believe me, it's given a lot of peace and calm the way we think, and I think it's a lot of positive energy one has to experience. I wish Ahvanam the very best to start with such a beautiful program. I wish the team will succeed in taking this forward, and with that we look forward to good collaboration. Let me see how we can bring in good art to the space. And thank you so much, Bangaloreans. Please come visit Ahvanam in Aarti Nagar, which is going to be a beautiful spot in the city to explore food choices and extremely welcoming staff and owners who are open to new innovation, and I think they are open to a lot of